ba pakikalabit yung katabi mo, sabihin mo, napakaganda mo, napakagwapo mo. Diba? So, scripture reading po tayo. Nag-insert po tayo ng scripture reading. Mga Ephesians book number 2, Psalms chapter 2. Sorry. Hindi pa sorry. Psalms chapter 2, verse 1 hanggang verse 6. Sabi po ng NASB, sabi niya, why are the nations in a uproar and the peoples devising vain thing? Verse 2, the kings of the earth take their stand, and the rulers take counsel together against the Lord and against his anointed. In verse 3, let us bear their fetters apart and cast away the cords from us. Verse 4, he who sits in the heavens laugh, the Lord scoffs at them. In verse 5, then he will speak to them in his anger and terrify them in his fury. In verse 6, but as for me, I have installed my king upon Zion, my holy mountain. So, bless po ng Panginoon yung kanyang salita at tayo po ay mapagpala po ng mabuting salita.